Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So I don't know for sure that those are E's, but it's obviously a very common letter, so it seems like a good idea to at least consider that possibility first. Let's try leverets, as in lots of baby hairs. Probably unlikely to be correct, I'm not sure it's common enough, but it should give me some information. And it has, it's confirmed that E is not the duplicated letter. That's most unexpected. So is that something like an S? That would be, I suppose, the next most common letter. Or a T, because we know we have to have the T. Or is it another vowel? We could have the E at the end in that case. I suppose this could also be an I. That's also quite a common letter, although T-I-V-E might be the ending if it was an I, and we've just ruled out the V. Divisive or something like that. So, if it's an O? No, that feels less likely. I'm thinking A or I. Oh, I'm not sure what's more likely, and I'm not sure I can think of a word that fits in either situation. Miss or dis? That would have to be a T, that's the only problem, because we've ruled out the T from all other positions. If it is an MIS beginning, that is. So if it's blank IT, I suppose that could be something like that. That looks like it should be a word. Am I just thinking of criticise? There must be a letter that can come before that. Witticise, I think, would have a double T, as in witticism. I don't even know if witticise is a word. That just feels like it should be a word. No, I can't imagine it would be a T there either. That feels like it should be something. But what would that first letter be? Mitigate, something like that, but of that we need three I's. Oh. Miticize. Yeah, I didn't think that was a word. None of these are words, are they? Or it could be side instead. I still don't know where this T would go, that's the other problem. Maybe I need to give up on getting it in 2 and just go for something that's going to give myself some more information. I want to find out for sure if it's a CISE ending. I'm not playing on hard mode, so I don't have to put I's in these 2 positions. But I am playing on, I suppose, medium hard mode, which means I do need to use the T because I've got it in yellow. So I know for sure that it's in the word, so I have to use it somewhere. But I'm not sure I can think of a word that fits and has a T in it. Oh, I thought that might be a word. Maybe I should try putting an A there. I suppose I should try putting an O there. There's exorcise, but I need something with a T in. I suppose it could even be a side. City side. I do really want to find out if there's a C. But I suppose maybe the most important thing is to work out. Let's just work out a word that fits. I was going to do situate, but that's not long enough. Let's try side. So now I just have to think of a word that ends in side that has a T in it somewhere. All I can think of is Tyneside. place in the north of England, but that's capitalised. Portside. Let's try that. Oh wow, we've learned absolutely nothing, except this is not an O or an I, this triple letter. Okay, so is it a triple A, or is it just a consonant after all that? No, if it ends in an E, it's got to be an A, hasn't it? Let's put the E in there. We've got to use D, S and T. Data case? Database. Database is definitely more likely than data case. There we go. So that's a nice pattern. I got my 100th 2, I think, last time I did it. And that's my 50th 3. So I get it in 2 twice as often exactly as I get it in 3. Very nice pattern. So, database, not my best today, considering that I guess I use that word quite often in my actual job. But I'm much happier getting it in 3 than 4 or more, so I'm not complaining. That's Polygonle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.